Walk around to the finished trailer. Super clean. Wire looms on the wiring. Reflectors. There and there. Here's the wood. Stained. This is all fixed up. Got rid of the, this is the old box that used to be back here, and then this spare was in the old box above. Got a new tongue again. Super clean wiring. That rake was in the box too, so I put it in the proper slot. There's 6 of those slots. Got your license plate mounted. There's Nina. And then of course the 2x8 pressure treated deck. And then show you this. Got a lock on here. And then all your stuff that was in there before. Even stain the inside of the box just so it lasts a long time. Okay, so there's the revised, rebuilt, refurbished, whatever you want to say, utility trailer. Pretty happy with how it turned out. This is hard to do one-handed. There we go.